Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building the Ecto-1. 99 and 1. That weighs 100, but it doesn't really because you're not adding them together. In this issue, we're then going to fit the window to the door. I think we're fitting the door to the car and doing lots of this. So we've got lots of different types of screws, different attachment things to do. The first thing we're doing is going to be fitting the fake door handle to the corner of the door here. It goes way around, just over on this piece there. Just fits in like that. It keys in one place and is held in place with a EP screw, which is that one that I've got sorted out down there. So let's get one of those out, or two of those out. You know, put that one. I'll put that away in a minute. Get one of these because I can't use my other hand at the moment because it's holding the bit in place. So let's try that again. We'll get that. I get the impression that this issue is going to be one of these. It's going to be a right pain, but you know, we've got to do it. So there we go. Let's get that in there. So we have started. We've got the fake door handle there. Next up, we will be fitting the less fake window handle. I'll put that in. I've just dropped that and put it in there, but it didn't actually go in there. Let's try that again. That's in there this time. There you go. Right, so let's move that out of the way because there's only one of those left, so that's going to be spare. Next up, we've got the window handle, which goes in the other hole there. And on the back of that goes one of these. Now, are they different? I think one of them's got a round hole and one of them's got a square hole. Or at least a bayoneted hole. One of them will fit on there and the other one won't. So that one goes on there and that one goes next to it on there. So as we turn this, it turns all the gears. Two different screws to hold those in place. I shall get those sorted out behind the scenes. And then we've got the window which fits over that bit with another screw. So I'll get that bit done. And then we've got to put the interior onto the other bit of the door. So let's get some of it done and show you how it fits together. Right, I've eventually manhandled that into place. The window works as intended. I just need to attach it. It's not quite as smooth as the other ones, but I think it might ease in. 4 screws hold the interior door to the exterior door. 2 of these at the top. And 2 of the big ones at the bottom. So I'll get all that together. Then we've got the 2 interior details to pop in place and the door catch to put on there as well, the fake button. So I'll get all that done. Then we need to bring in the chassis, and I shall do that. I'll fit the door from last time and then still concentrate on this issue and getting this door fitted. Right, I've got everything prepped. So the door is ready to go in. And let's move it out of the way for now. The door is going to go onto the chassis itself, just like we did the same on the other side. So it's going on here. First of all, we've got to fit the switch, which is around here somewhere. There it is. I'll get the wire out as well. Let's get that around there. Right, so the switch is going into that little socket there. So when that door closes against it, that activates that. It goes that way round, like that. So the door is going to be catch against that in there. The latch is held in place. The frame is held in place with that bracket that goes over the top of that there with 2 screws. And then I've got the other bit of that goes in place over here, sort of like the frame bit that the door catches against, and that's going to be held in place with a screw. I'll put that in place now anyway. It doesn't seem to make any difference if that's in place when the others aren't. So that goes in there. The other one, I need to get the bracket in, but I can't do that up here because I need to have it down where I can get it. But when that's in place, then the door attaches exactly the same as the other doors. I did this one behind the scenes as well. So, but yeah. So the other door and the hinge there will go against things, whichever way around it goes. There you go. That goes into there, behind where that is, goes into that bit, and then that will be the other door installed. Yeah, just a bit of behind the scenes stuff that I can't do on camera because it's too huge, but I'll get that done, and then that will be done, and we'll be ready for the next issue, which is going to be continuing this with the end quarter windows. So I shall see you for that very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now. Okay, before I attach the door, I should point out that we've finished it. Put the little bit on. I had Katie's assistance to do that. And the 2 silver strips on the inside there as well. So now that's ready to go in. And yeah, that's the bit that catches against the switch that we just installed. So now I need to get the rest of the body in, get the 2 screws in. I'll try and show you what it looks like after, but I can't show you the putting it in because it's just too difficult to manipulate and get in the right places. So I'll show you that in just a sec. Right, there we go. Another door installed and all good. It all works. It opens, it closes. It seems to catch well. And when it closes, I can close it properly. A little bit moving there, or I'll tighten the screws as tight as I can get them. But I think it's okay. When it closes, it's all flush. It's always going to be closed anyway. So that is that. Another issue done. Another thing why I had to worry about in the whole thing. But it really is starting to really come together well. So I'm happy with how this is working. It's starting to look really like Ecto-1. Next up, I think we're doing the other side quarter windows like these ones that we did. They've got a couple of issues to get them up and working. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying this. And I shall see you for more very soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.